Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making this chessboard to the right, and so this is what it looks like. That's my challenge for today. I had a little trouble finishing this one because of the math that has to do with this, and so at first I started out by using a helper function, of course, of drawing the box around the blue. So this would be this area. And then, actually, it would be this, so the box that the chess would be in. And then I set the parameters, so I had my turtle name, X, Y, size, and fill color. Just because we will be switching colors through blue and black, or blue and blue, or red and blue, sorry. It's been a long day. So then I'm going to say board pen up so that our pen is up, and then make sure that our pen goes to X and Y because we want it to draw from X and Y for the box, and then pen down. Okay. And then we're going to fill the board with our fill color variable. Then we want to begin fill. And then I want to make a for loop because I know for a fact that it's going to be drawing. It's going to be drawing the squares, the square box, I mean, and it will be 4 sides. And so I'm going to say for I in range 0 to 4, I want the board to move forward by size, board right 90 degrees. Okay. Make sure we end fill this one. Let's see what it looks like so far. Okay, nothing happened, so I guess we have to keep going. Nothing happened because he actually didn't call the function. So if we were to call Dropbox right here, it would draw this. And so, moving on to the next helper function, we want to draw the actual chessboard, right? And so the square color would be negative 300. Okay, I figured this out because the box sizes, like my teacher had here, will be 50, right? And so from there, I knew that if the box size was 50, then I had to coordinate with the X and Y and make sure that the actual chessboard was drawing inside the border, if that makes sense. And so when I do give the measurements for the border box, it will make sense. Also the square color is red. Sorry, I'm kind of getting distracted. So then we want to start at X, right? X, and make that equal to 300, and then start at Y and make that 100, negative 100. It would be, I'll explain all this when I get there, but I did a lot of math for this one. So there it goes. I set my measurements, so then I'm going to go ahead and make my for loop in range 0 to 8. Then another for loop inside this for loop, because we're going to be drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes to across one another, and this just tells it to draw 8. And then within the other for loop, we're going to make sure that we give this for loop the actual parameters of the draw box, and give it the right measurements. So here's me calling the draw box function, and then me naming the function, and then me also making sure I have this. It starts at -300, so I want to add this to J, which are the small species of squares, and then multiply it with box size, making sure that the box size is for the x coordinate. So it would be this way right here. And then I'm gonna add that to give me 1 second. So I'm going to do the same thing for start at Y, and add that to I, this one, because square, right, that should be good. Okay, hopefully this works. Square color, then we're moving on to our square color, which we have defined over here. So square color equals red, right? And so I made actually a very tricky if function for this one. Square, so if the square color is red, then square would equal to, the second square would be equal to blue. That is basically what I'm saying. And then else, or otherwise, it's just blue, okay? So this makes it just like this help perfection is for the Y, and the other one, the last one for I, would be for I. So this is why I'm doing this. It is a little complicated, but I think that was something that like helped me kind of understand this code a little bit, because I had to kind of break it down in that way. It definitely had like different parts. So this is, so else, it's just blue. Same thing. Okay. Oop. So then I am again actually this is a messy code actually, because I feel like I definitely should have started drawing the border up over here, but because I definitely like struggled with a little bit with the math part, so yeah, I definitely didn't really think through that one. So here again, I'm gonna add 5 to this. Make sure that just make sure that the box is encapsulated around the chessboard, which is right here. And so I added 5 to -300, and then I'm gonna add 55 to the -300 or -100 as the Y. Okay. So basically, this is me setting the X's and the Y's, right? And so this will help me really draw my my board well, I guess. Pen color light blue, board pen down for eye in range. And this is the for loop for the border, right? And so right here we set the coordinates for it, and the pen size and the color and the everything else, and the name, which I finally gave to the turtle. And so right now we are basically developing it, you know. So we want it to move like 410 because the whole thing is like 800 by 800. You want to make sure that at least half of it, right? And 90. And then move to this, right? Go to 0, 0. So this is me calling the chessboard right here. Everything looks good. Let's run it and see if we made anything. Oof, typing fast. Let's see now. So here it goes. There we go. That is my picture. Thank you so much. I am running.